What up guys, welcome back to another video. So the reason why you clicked on this video, because you're interested in buying a used Honda in 2023, and not just a Honda Civic, a Honda Civic Si. So if you want to know why you should buy a used Honda Civic Si in 2023, you clicked on the right video today. Before we jump into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my updates. Alright, so the very first reason why you should buy a used Honda Civic Si in 2023, because the market is free game. And when I say the market is free game, like, what do you mean the market is free game? What do I mean is the market is free game right now because nobody wants to drive a manual. And the reason why nobody wants to drive a manual, because you know why. Electric cars are coming in, and they're coming in fast, and they're coming in hot.
I got $500 in cash.
Nobody wants to drive a manual car right now, and that's why the market is right now perfect, especially for a Honda Civic Si. And let me tell you the reason why the market is so good right now. Because the retail right now, the price margin for a used Honda Civic Si 5 years older, the market price right now you're looking at between 18 to maybe, I can go down to maybe $14,000. That's all you're gonna pay for a used Honda Civic Si. Now you're looking like that, like, okay, what's the big catch about that? Now that brings me to my number 2 reason why you should buy a Honda Civic Si: the mileage. Right now for a used Honda Civic Si, the mileage is ridiculous. You won't believe what type of mileage these cars have on them. You would think these cars have some ridiculous mileage, but no, these cars mileage that haven't even been driven to their true potential. Right now you can get a used Honda Civic Si probably 5 years ago with 39,000 miles on it. Let me say it again, 39,000 miles on it. Now you're wondering why this car has 39,000 miles, and you should know why. Because what? It's a manual. Nobody wants to drive a manual. Those are lost arts now. You don't want to drive a manual. You don't want to touch a manual. You don't even put your hands on the manual because you know they just want to get in and go. This is a steal for an upcoming driver who wants to learn how to drive a manual. Now, the third reason why you should drive a Honda Civic Si, the used ones, because the engine is reliable. The engine will last you forever. When they build a engine, they know how to build one from A to Z. Indestructible. You can run 100,000 miles, 200,000 miles on a Honda Civic, and the thing will still run like it was driven off the lot yesterday. But you have to take care of your maintenance with that. But these Honda engines are reliable. They last. You don't have to worry about blowing a lot of money. The fourth reason why you should buy a used Honda Civic Si. Now this one is really simple, so pay close attention. Okay, very close attention. The parts are cheap. Labor is cheap. Everything you buy to this car is cheap. Now I don't mean like cheap, like, oh, this is cheap where I don't want to buy it. It's cheap where you can afford to buy it. So Honda has these great ways of making a reliable, nice, clean car. If anything happens to the parts, you can buy them very quickly and very fast, and you won't be blowing all your money in the bank. Honda is known for making great cars and making reliable parts for cars, because we know that, hey, it happens. Something's going to happen to the car. But Honda said, I got you. I'm not going to charge you this much. I'm going to charge you a reasonable price to get your car fixed. Fifth reason is for my upcoming people who wants to mod out their car. Now, this is why you should buy a used Honda in 2023. If you're upcoming or you just want to get into another car, buying modifications for this car is worth the while. The parts are not that expensive. It's very easy to work on. You don't have to worry about doing this, doing that, running back and forth, trying to figure out how. Hondas are so reliable. When you modify it, it's going to work if you buy the right parts. The parts are easy. You have enough space in the engine bay. Anywhere, you have great space to work anywhere you want to in these used Honda Civic SIs. You can work day in and day out. You have what you need. You can get in and get out. And also, on top of that, you can buy modifications that actually works, and you won't have to worry about blowing everything in your bank account. Top 5 reasons why you should do it. And that was my top 5 reasons why you should buy a used Honda Civic SI. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Before I leave, hope you can see a huge difference to this video. I finally updated my camera. So right now I'm using a Sony a7 II camera, and I'm gonna say right now I am so pleased that I made this investment. This camera can do a lot of great things for my upcoming videos, better photos, finally get back into the cinematics of my videos that I love so much. I went from a Canon Mark II camera to a Sony a7. A huge difference in quality, sound, and everything. Subscribe to me because you love my car content, you love everything I do on this channel, and that's why I made this investment, because I'm gonna keep doing it. So hope you guys enjoyed my 5 reasons why you should buy a used Honda Civic SI in 2023. I'm out of here for the day. You know the saying, legit is out.